What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I guess the worms are liking crawling on the lid. I got a couple right here on the side. So, today will be the 11th feeding. I should be able to feed something today because last week I didn't feed anything. There were still some sweet potatoes and asparagus stems. So today I'll check this feeding area out and give this a flip, and hopefully everything will be pretty much eaten, so then I can give it another little feeding. One thing I'm noticing, there's a lot of worms kind of out to the side. So, to me, that kind of means that they've probably have eaten the food that was here in the center. Here's something. Oh, that was just more paper. I'm not sure what, at that point, maybe like a banana peel or something. Here's, oh, it's basically just a sweet potato skin. The worms have eaten out all of the sweet potato. I guess I put a paper towel in the center there too. There's the sweet potato leaf that started rooting, but now it's finally succumbed to the bin. Oh, this was another piece of sweet potato. I do remember that long vine. Man, that's awesome. Cool, so they're still going after everything. It's pretty neat how they hollow out the sweet potato. And then there we go, so cool. You know what? This is completely, like, the outside's hard, but the inside's soft. And there we go. That's what they like to do to asparagus. And there's those fibers that are inside the asparagus stem. Yep, look at that. Just castings and those fibers. Okay, I'll give the bin a quick flip and then I'll get to this feeding. With this feeding, I did just shred up some like brown paper bags and some cardboard. So I'll give them a decent amount of bedding. I didn't really pull this out of the freezer. Well, this one you can see, it's definitely soft. But frozen banana peel, and these are the guys that I didn't pull out super fast. So what I'll do is I'll just kind of cover him. Add a touch more bedding, because see, this is still fairly frozen. I don't want to injure any of the worms. To the top of the feeding, I'm adding my ground up eggshell. I went just a touch heavier because of the new bedding, so I can start getting some grit down in that area. You know what? To try to even this out a little bit, I'm pulling some of this corner out. Even add a little more shredded cardboard in there, and then the next feeding I can incorporate it all. Right on top of the feeding area, I like to add a little worm chow. I'll even add a little bit to that fresh bedding side. Check to see if I got anybody on the bottom crawling through. Nope, nobody crawling through. But look, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like 5, 6, 7. Cool. So these guys are doing pretty well. I did look in on this bottom tray. I just lifted everything up. I guess might have been Sunday. That's just a piece of coconut coir. Sunday, just to see how everything was looking, and it was pretty dry. So I did add a little bit of moisture. I have my spray bottle, so I did add a little moisture with this. I just kind of real light, just added a little bit, just so it would help to retain a little bit of moisture, and it looks like that did help. This is feeling a lot better. Checking this bottom out, you can see I got a little escapee. A couple little drops. Okay, when I go to put this back together, there's little feet on the bottom that go inside the square, so I try to make sure that that lines up. And then there's these little edges on the corner. I make sure that the tray goes in between it, and then that kind of helps to lock it in place. Okay, I wiped off some of the castings, so I get to add it to that new section. Okay, well, thanks for coming along, checking out this video. I do have some neat things coming up in the future. I'll go ahead and discuss that more with you in the upcoming video. Thanks for coming along, checking out this video. Everybody have a great day.